people, I love starting my vlog like this when I'm heading out to do something epic. I'm going on a cruise, people. I'm going on a cruise. Go Sheldon cruise right now. Going on a catamaran cruise. Yeah, before we even get into anything, just like and subscribe. Share it with your friends, have some fun, and follow me on this adventure, man. We're gonna have some fun today. Going on a cruise. Going on a cruise. Going on a cruise.
Chaser, come keep that drink up. The vibes right, them thugs, them hyper, we don't give up. We step out in the white and every girl a ball out for talk. If you not trouble me, me not trouble you. Tell them me in my vibes, you know. Cause tell them we alright, you know. We leave it.
So right now we're gonna pick up the rest of the people. I got early entry because this is my cruise, man. So we're gonna pick up some people at Margaritaville here in the grill, and then we're gonna go out to sea and we're gonna shell it. Meaning, yo, this vlog gonna be lit as hell, man. Going there. I'm so good. Yeah, myself. The blood. Yo, this is the most lit vlog ever, though. The most lit vlog ever. Goblin! Goblin! The blood fire. Go, go, go. We jamming still. We jamming still. Good father, good job instead, hey! That's all them I want them! That's all them I want them! So I had to step away from the party for a bit, but yeah, this party is lit, fam. Damn.